Kartra is one of the most important tools in my online business. It allows me to sell products online, host online courses, create any landing or sales page that I need, runs all of my email marketing, my sales funnels, and so much more. If you want to simplify your tech and scale your business in new ways, this is for you. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the core features so that you can get started. And if you have any special requests for my more advanced tutorial coming soon, then just let me know in the comments down below. And I also have a fantastic resource for you, my free Kartra roadmap. So make sure that you download that below. That is going to show you how to use Kartra in the most strategic way to grow your business this year. Okay, so when you click my link below or go to louisehenry.com/Kartra, this is what you're going to see. And you can use my discount code Louise40 for 40% off. And that is my affiliate link, so thank you so much for using it. Okay, so you're just going to scroll down and then click Start for Free. Then you're going to type in your info, and then you're going to enter in that coupon code. And then just make sure to hit the check mark. And then you're just going to enter in your payment info to get started. But you won't be charged anything today, and you can cancel within the first 30 days. All right, you're in. Welcome to Kartra. Now you're just going to go ahead and answer a few quick questions to set up your account. All right, so I'm going to quickly go through what you can do in Kartra. Campaigns, this means that you can import in different marketing assets that other people have created for you. So that is something I include in all of my courses. Then we have pages where you can create any type of page that you would need in your online business, whether you want to use it to grow your email list or sell a product. Then we have memberships. This is how you are going to host online courses or memberships or group programs. So actually housing that information. Then we have contacts. So this is you building your email list. And then we have sales. So this allows you to sell any type of product that you want, digital products, courses, memberships, etc. Then under marketing, we have email. So you can send newsletter style emails to your list, but also automated email sequences. And you can set up automations, funnels, and more. Next, we have events where you can not only book coaching calls or consulting calls, but you can also host webinars as well. Then we have help desk so that you can offer fantastic customer support and you can even offer live chat. And then your media center just keeps everything organized. So clearly there's a whole lot you can do with Kartra. So let's start with pages. All right, let's create a new page so I can show you just how easy this is to use. Okay, so when you are creating a page, as you can see, there are all these different templates that you can use as a starting point. So what I would do is go to page type and then choose exactly what you're looking for. So for example, let's say you wanted to create a sales page, you're just going to select that, and then you'll see all these different ones that you can choose from. So let's say that I like that one. I'm just going to select that, then hit create. So here is the template. And of course, we're going to be able to edit all of this. Now, what I like about Kartra compared to other page builders is that it is very flexible. You can customize this however you want. So let's say I wanted to replace this with my tagline. All I'm going to do is click on it, and then I'm going to type in my text. So what I love about this is that any changes I want to make, I can just see it immediately on screen. So I'm going to type in my text. I would highlight this. Okay, same with this. I'm just going to double click, and then I'm going to add in my own text. And as you can see, an editing bar comes across the top, so you can change the font, size, color, everything like that. Then when it gets to images, you're just going to click on it, then click this pencil icon. Then you can click edit, upload my own photo, hover over it, hit the check mark, and confirm. Then hit apply, and there we go. Done. Then if you want to resize it, you're just going to click this icon here, and then you can drag this in. Now with every single item on the page, you can edit even more, okay? So if I click on my image and then I hit the pencil icon and go over to style, you'll see I have even more options. For example, for the alignment. One thing you need to get used to in Kartra is just hitting apply. And I'd also recommend that you turn autosave on. Okay, great. So let's keep going down the page. So with any of these elements, you can just click on it. You will either click directly if it's text like that, right? To edit your text. Or if it's an icon or an image, you're just going to click on it, then click the pencil icon, and that will open up this panel where you can edit it even further. Okay, now let's say that you wanted to add a new section. That's really easy. In between the different sections, you'll see add sections. So you'll just click that, and you'll see that there are all these different types of content sections pre-built for you, so you can sort of just place them together. So for example, let's say that I liked this one. I'm just going to click on that, and it's going to insert into my page. Now, what if you just wanted to add an individual piece of text or an image? That's no problem. You're just going to go over to components, click on an element, for example, an image, and then you're just going to drag that over. Okay, so everything in Kartra is also drag and drop. So I can just click on an element, for example, this text, and I can move it up to the top. So I have text, I could add buttons, headlines, I could add icons, I can add a progress bar, countdown timers. It's really very customizable. Now, when you're done your page, you're just going to click Actions, then Publish Live, get the page link, and then you're going to click on this and open it in a new tab so that you can see your brand new sales page. Now, of course, you might be wondering about the domain right here. You can absolutely customize that. So you're just going to need to connect your professional domain that you have and your email address. You're going to integrate that in with Kartra, and then you'll be able to click right here and you'll be able to choose your custom domain from this drop down here. All right, next let's go into the membership builder. So I'm just going to click all memberships, hit the plus sign to create a new membership. And so this is how I'm hosting all of my online courses. So I'm going to type in online course, and then you'll see I have a few different design options. But I'm going to go with this one here and hit create. Okay, cool. Now I'm going to go over to contents and launch the builder. So this is where you're going to actually add your content. All right, so just like your page builder, this is drag and drop. So you can construct your course piece by piece. So for example, let's say that I wanted to add a headline. I can just go ahead and drag that in. I want to add some more text. I can go ahead and do that. I can drag in an image. I can drag a video, button, highlight box. The list goes on. And then I also have this sidebar area that I can customize. So I'm going to drag in this host section and choose one of these. Okay, so for example, let's say I wanted to link to my Instagram here. I could. Okay, now I'm going to hit save. So you can add different pieces to your sidebar. Then, of course, you can customize all of this. So I can go ahead and hit header, and I could change it to one of my brand colors. So as you guys know, that would be yellow. Now, obviously, it's really hard to pick from here. So you can just paste in your brand hex code right here. All right, there we go. There's the proper yellow. So you can play around with that. I'm actually going to keep that simple and then use the yellow as my accent color. So you are absolutely going to want to add your logo, right? So you're going to go up here, click the pencil icon, and then click right here to upload your logo. So for example, let's say that I was building out my course area for Uplevel with Asana. I can go ahead, upload that there. Awesome. Okay, so now it's going to appear there. And then I'm going to build out all of my modules with lessons underneath it. So I'm going to click on the pencil icon. I'm going to change category 1. I'm going to edit that and change that to module 1, and then the name of my module there like that. And then I would go ahead, add category and rename it for module 2 with the title. And let's do that again for module 3. Okay, great. So now we have our different modules across the top. Now to add individual lessons underneath it, you're just going to click on your module, and then you can start to add in your post. So for that, you're just going to click new post, drag that in, and then add in your lesson title. And you can also choose an icon to represent whatever type of content it is. And now when I hover over the module, you'll see that I have the lesson underneath it. And just like the other sections, now I'm going to build out my lesson. So if I wanted to add in a highlight box to the top, I can just drag that in. I could title this lesson overview and write my lesson overview here. I could add in some text describing my lesson. And then of course I can add in video. And for this, you can upload video directly to Kartra. And when you want to see what your course will look like from your student's perspective, you're just going to click Actions, Preview, Save and Preview, and then you can see the student view. And only the modules with lessons underneath will appear. So let's click on that, and then we can see our lesson. So what I love is that it's super customizable, and each lesson can include exactly what you need. Some of mine include text and images and some buttons. Others are just a video and a few action steps underneath. Some platforms really restrict you in terms of what you can do there and even where downloads are placed. So I like the flexibility of this. Now let's say that you want to sell some products. So you're going to go over to Sales, Products, and click on the plus sign to create a new product. So I'm going to put the name of my course, and I'm going to sell my Kartra membership that we just set up. So all I have to do is select the membership there and the access level, which is something more advanced that we didn't go over, but you can add multiple different access levels, which allows you to easily deliver special bonuses or things like that to your customers. And I also didn't mention that you can sell products within your course area. So you can very easily upsell and increase revenue once students have come into your programs. Okay, so I'm going to hit create. You're going to go ahead and add the product details here and an image. Then you're going to connect your payment processors. So Kartra integrates with quite a few different payment processors. The ones I use are Stripe and PayPal. So to connect those, you just have to go into settings, integrations, and then you're just going to click integration, and then you can see everything that Kartra integrates with. But these are the top two that I would recommend. Okay, so you can go ahead and integrate that here. Then we can go over to pricing, and it's very easy for you to set your pricing. So what I can do is a one-time. So I usually call this pay in full. So let's say my product is $100 pay in full. Great. And then I can also add another payment. So if I just click on the plus sign, I could now do a payment plan or something recurring. So if you have a membership, you can absolutely do a recurring. If you want to do a payment plan, you can go over to installments. So let's say that I want to do that. I'm going to type in payment plan. And let's say I wanted to do 2 payments of $50. I can absolutely do that and hit save. Okay, great. So we have our pricing. Then if you have a refund policy, you can adjust that there. Then we can go over to pages. And here you're going to link to your sales page. So I can hit change, and I'm going to update this to that sales page that we created. And then you'll just create a thank you page that people will see after they purchase your product. Then you can click checkout, hit change, and you can see exactly what the checkout functionality looks like, and you can customize that as well. And Kartra is quite good at walking you through everything that you need to consider, so just make sure that you go through each of these settings. Now, what's cool is this one right here. So post-sale, when someone purchases your product, you want to make sure to add them to your customer list and tag them to your individual product as well. This is what is then going to further unlock the power of Kartra, because it's what can happen automatically once someone joins your email list, once someone purchases a product. So that is generally controlled here. I do all of that in my Kartra through tags. Okay, so I'm controlling all my automations and email sequences through tags. Then as you can see, once someone purchases, they're going to get access to that membership. Okay, so great, looking good. They're going to get access to the online course immediately after purchase. Awesome. And then there's automations if I needed to set something up there as well. So obviously there's so much more that you can do with Kartra. The final thing that I'm going to show you is your marketing. So if we go to marketing and then emails and SMS, I'm going to click top right to add a new email. And then I'm just going to title this my weekly newsletter. Okay, great. Now, again, there are all these different templates that you can choose from. So I'm going to choose this one here and hit create. Okay, awesome. Then I'm going to click edit message. And just like we've been doing, everything here, you can click and you can edit. So for example, let's say that I wanted to click on this text, and instead of saying hi subscriber, I want to say hi friend. I can just click on it and type that in. If it's an image or an icon, I'm going to click on the pencil icon, select my image, and hit confirm. Same thing down here, any images, I will edit that way. Any text, I'll just click on it and type in my text instead. And pro tip, what I would recommend you do is create your own templates for everything. So for example, with your weekly newsletter, you're going to customize your template, but you're going to do this once. Then every single week when you want to send out your newsletter, you're actually going to clone a prior version of it so that you have it all there, all the formatting saved, and all you have to do is change out the text. Okay, we are all about keeping it simple and efficient. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Same with buttons. I'm just going to hover over it, click the pencil icon, and then here I can control where that is going to, and I can, of course, change my color as well. Then to change my subject line, I'm going to do that right here. I can change the background color if I'd like and send myself a test email. When you're done, you're just going to click save and exit. And then you will go over here where it says from to choose your recipients. Now in Kartra, you don't just want to send to everyone in your database. You want to make sure that you are sending people that are subscribed to a particular list. So once you build this out, you will set that up. I recommend setting up a VIP list and adding anyone who joins your list to that, and then using tags to get more specific, okay? But when you're emailing, make sure to do that. So you would just set that up, choosing the right recipients, and then you're going to go ahead and send or schedule that out. So this is how I'm emailing my list every single week. And then I'm also using Kartra to send out welcome sequences to my students and set up sales funnels as well. All right, so clearly there is so much that you can do with Kartra. I'm going to do a more advanced training. So if there's a particular feature that you want me to demo, just let me know in the comments down below. All right, that is my Kartra training. I hope you are so excited to simplify your tech and scale your business this year. Don't forget to grab my free Kartra roadmap. It's going to help you do just that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you real soon with another video. Bye.